Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video I want to show you all how you can take mono sound from a video and either turn it into stereo sound or take an audio track and make it mono sound so that it just plays equally on both sides anyway. So first off, when you might notice it would be a problem is if the audio is only playing back in one of your two or more speakers like this. You'll see that with the animation window open, so what you might have noticed is that over here in this section, there is two bars, one for the left audio and then one for the right channel audio. So if you see two bars, then you know an audio track is currently set into stereo mode. You can also see this 2.0 here representing two channel audio. So if you change that into mono by right click and then you do change track type to mono, and now you play it again, you'll see that with the animation window open, then even though there's just one channel of audio, it's just going to play evenly across your speakers, which is going to give you the same result as changing a clip into stereo. But you may run into the situation where you want a track to actually be in stereo, but you just have one clip that needs to be adjusted. So on how to do that. So first off, there's two places you can change it. One is in your media pool. If you right click on your video clip and then you go to clip attributes, you can come down here to audio and change the format to stereo, which is going to open up two channels. And then you just take the second channel, which is muted, and make it embedded channel 1. So now it's splitting one channel of audio into two. So even though you have a stereo, it's going to be playing the same audio on both, and it should do so equally. Now, if you right click on the clip in the timeline, it will be the same process. You go down to clip attributes towards the bottom, and then you change the format to stereo, and you change the source channel for the second one to embedded channel 1. Now the thing about this is though that it is changing them individually. So you could think of this down here as an instance of the source clip. So if you change the settings here, it's not going to affect the source clip and vice versa. So if I right click on the source clip and do clip attributes, we'll do stereo and then embedded channel and hit save. And then we change the audio track to be stereo once again. So change audio track to stereo. Let's play the audio now. There's a keyframe option for, and you'll see that even though we changed it in the media pool, it's still playing in mono on the left channel only. So what will happen is if we take any new clips from the source clip, so if I just double click here and let's set an in point and out point, and then I'll drag this down into the timeline. Let's play it now. Your animation loop over and over again, and you'll see that now any new clips we add to the timeline from the source material have those clip attributes. So what I'm getting at is that if you've already edited your clips on the timeline, then you need to change the clip attributes of the clips on the timeline. And if you change the settings in your media pool, that's going to affect all future clips that you drag into your timeline. So to correct this clip that's already in the timeline, once again, we would just right click, clip attributes, change it to stereo, and the second channel to embedded channel 1. So frame 0 is obviously going to go, as you can see. And that gives you the advantage of it being able to match stereo channel audio with any other video clips you have in your project. But if your whole video is just from one source, then it might just be easier to change the audio track to mono mode, which is just going to already play evenly across the audio channels on your speaker. And what you'll notice, like that. So not much of a difference there. So that's basically what you need to know about changing mono sound to stereo inside of DaVinci Resolve 18. I've been Chris, thanks for watching this video to the end, and I will see all of you in my future video content.